Hi, in this video, I will show how to create and set up Webmail in cPanel. Let's get started. First you need to log in your Namecheap dashboard. Then go to Hosting List and then in the right side, click on Go to cPanel. Then scroll down and in the Email section, click on the email account and you will get the Webmail interface. Here in the right side, click on Create menu. Then select your domain and choose a username. Then create a strong password for your Webmail. Then click on the Create button. And your Webmail has been created successfully. Here you can see that my new Webmail support has been created. Now click on Check Mail to check your mailbox. Here you can see that an inbox configuration mail has been sent to connect with Gmail or Outlook. Now all options are available here. Now click on Compose to create mail draft and send a test mail. Congratulations, your mail has been sent successfully. Now to manage your account, click on Manage here. You can create your new password, then you can update. Or you can delete your email account. To connect device, click here and get your all configuration information here. Check my top right corner video to configure with your Gmail account. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget subscribe my channel.